Welcome to Garage Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai Creta, a compact SUV that's redefining style, performance, and innovation. Whether you're tackling city streets or heading out for an adventure, this SUV promises to impress. Let's explore what makes the Creta a standout in its class. The 2025 Hyundai Creta raises the bar for compact SUVs, delivering a harmonious blend of innovation, style, and capability. Designed for the modern driver, it effortlessly adapts to both urban lifestyles and adventurous escapes, making every journey an experience to remember. With its cutting-edge technology and attention to detail, the Creta continues to set new standards in its class. At its heart, the Creta offers a choice of powertrains tailored to different driving needs. Whether you opt for the responsive 1.5-liter petrol engine, the turbocharged variant for added thrills, or the efficient diesel option, every drive is smooth and satisfying. The advanced transmission options, including manual and automatic, provide versatility, while the tuned suspension ensures a balanced ride over all terrains. Agile yet composed, the Creta is built to inspire confidence behind the wheel. Its exterior design turns heads with a striking blend of boldness and sophistication. The cascading grille dominates the front, complemented by sleek LED headlights and signature daytime running lights that create a futuristic vibe. Muscular wheel arches and bold character lines flow seamlessly into the rear, where LED taillights and a sporty stance complete the look. With dynamic alloy wheels and a range of vibrant paint options, the Creta's design captures attention while exuding confidence. Inside, the 2025 Hyundai Creta offers a sanctuary of comfort and technology. The cabin feels spacious and upscale, thanks to premium materials, elegant finishes, and thoughtful ergonomics. A large 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, featuring seamless smartphone integration and advanced navigation. Smart features like wireless charging, ventilated seats, and customizable ambient lighting enhance convenience and comfort. The panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. Designed with both practicality and style in mind, the Creta makes every ride feel special. Efficiency is at the core of the 2025 Hyundai Creta's engineering. The petrol engines deliver impressive mileage for daily commutes, while the diesel option excels in fuel-saving performance for longer journeys. Hyundai's focus on eco-friendly technologies ensures lower emissions, making the Creta not just a capable SUV but also a responsible choice for environmentally conscious drivers. And that's the 2025 Hyundai Creta, a perfect blend of power, style, and innovation that redefines what a compact SUV can offer. What do you think of this standout model? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Garage Cars for more exciting reviews. Hit that bell icon to stay updated, and as always, drive safe and keep exploring.